partial and quarter-size hail. Source: radar-indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Vietnam around 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Italy around 3:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Abbott, Foreston, Malone, Milford, Mertens, Avalon, Brandon, Irene, and Frost. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 355 and 361. Interstate 35E between mile markers 376 and 391. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado warning